Hello guys, my name is Deepak Kumar Verma and you are most welcome at my YouTube channel. Until now, we created this professional portfolio website using Lovable AI, and in the last video we performed some modification over the website, and in the last video I have informed you that the form which is on the website is currently not working. I am talking about this form. If you fills detail here in the forms field and clicks on send message button, then those details won't go anywhere. So in order to make this form fully functional, we have to visit a website and its domain name is formsubmit.co. So guys, once you will on this website, it will instruct you to do following change. What it is saying that within form tag there is an action attribute, and within action attribute you have to set this particular value. And how you will create this particular value? In order to create this, you don't need to do anything extra. In the last where it is written your@email.com, you have to replace this particular value with your email ID. Okay, in this case I will put here my email ID. So we have to copy this value. Okay, and I will paste it here and I will replace your@email.com with my email ID. Okay, and I will copy all of them. After that, I will visit at my website. So guys, let me show you something. I will open this website in a new tab by clicking on this icon. Let it be loaded first, and I am going to scroll down. Here I am going to inspect this particular form. I will do right click and I will click on the inspect. I would like to see what action value is currently set on this particular form. As we can see, let me expand it. As we can see, within form tag we are not able to see any action attribute here. So what is action attribute, guys? Action attribute is a very important attribute which tells that where the form data should be sent for processing when a user clicks the submit button. To make this form working, we have to set action attribute value, and in order to set the value we have to visit at Lovable's dashboard. Here we have to visit at the very bottom and we need to click on this select element icon. Thereafter we will select this particular form. Once you will select the form, you can see the selection in Lovable's chat box. Now here we have to enter our prompt. Let me do it. Okay guys, I have entered the prompt and now I am going to hit the enter button. Now Lovable has started its processing. Now it will take some time. Until then we have to wait. Great guys, Lovable has performed our task. Now it's time to verify if the form is working or not. Let me do it for you. So we are going to enter details here. After entering the following details, I am going to click on the send message button. Great, our form has been submitted. So I am going to check my Gmail ID. Guys, I am here in my Gmail account and we can see we have got a message from form submit. Let's open it. Guys, it's a one-time verification process. It is saying if you want to continue receive messages from your form, then you have to activate it. So once you will activate it, it won't ask you again to do the same process. So let me activate the form. Great, our form has been activated. Now let's visit our website again and let's fill the form and click on the send message button. Let me do it for you. Great guys, I have filled all the necessary details in our form and I am going to click on the send message button. After that we have to verify it. Great, Now let me visit on my Gmail account. Here we have got the new submission. Let me open it. Great guys, we have received our message in our Gmail account successfully. So guys, following this method, you can make your form working on any website which is created by Lovable. So let me open the Lovable's dashboard again, and this time I'd like to get signed out. I wish you to have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.